one-of-a-kind, 3-bedroom, 3-bath condo located in the Chautauqua Lake Estates Community. This end unit is at ground level with private patio, where you can enjoy outside dining and beautiful lake views. Inside features a modern kitchen and dining area with sliding glass doors that lead out to the private patio. Living room with floor-to-ceiling windows and sliding glass doors that go out to the private wraparound balcony, which gives you beautiful panoramic views of Chautauqua Lake. Half bath and laundry are conveniently located on the main floor. You will also enjoy the amenities offered Chautauqua Lake Estates that include community pool, community tennis/pickleball court, community park and playground, community dog park. Boat dock is available $850 fee. Cable is available $53.